Okay, this will be a challenging one. It's falling apart. It's really fragile, so I'm going to try my best to make it look good. I'm going to stay with that. This is going to be a challenge size-wise, and it's going to be a challenge to see if I can make it look really nice. It's a very fragile piece of, it's a sticker, and it's extremely fragile. It's been in the sun and the rain and all that, and it's all very brittle. The image of it, the image on the sticker is extremely brittle, so we're going to have to be very careful with it, and hopefully it'll look really good. I'm wondering if we're just going to leave brightness out of it. We're just going to use copy density. This one's holographic. It's got a holographic effect on it, so it'd be nice if this holographic stuff looks good, even though the sticker's falling apart, or the image on the sticker is falling apart. So I'm wondering if we're going to do it this way. Alright, let's see how we go. It's a very nice looking sticker otherwise. It's amazing it came off the pole in virtually one piece, but this is it. A little manga sticker, little manga character, very fragile. You can see the bits of, it's hard to see the hologram in this light, but in the sunlight you can see it. So, but I wouldn't be surprised if it doesn't show up on this machine. So I'm going to keep the dock feeder open so that some of that holographic stuff will show through. This is going to need to be enlarged another step. It's just too small. It's another tiny little piece. It's going to be a challenge. It feels like it's going to be a challenge. Doesn't look like an easy one. Maybe I should have added a little bit of pressure with my left hand to get it to go flatter, or maybe put something on top. I don't know. Well, let's see how we go. It'll probably fall apart on me if I tried to slip and slide it. So we're just going to copy it as is and see how it's come up with the... Well, that looks interesting. You can't see much of the lovely hologram effect on it, which is a pity in my opinion, but it looks like it fits 400% really well, strangely enough. All we have to do is concentrate on elongating it. I think we're not going to bother with this edge being enlarged too much. Now we just have to take this off the glass and not leave any bits behind. I'm disappointed we didn't get the hologram. It's going in the bin, but at least we've got a nice record of this rather fragile original. So we're not going to make it into a mirror image, I don't think. It's just going to be a single piece. So we're just going to put that on the glass as is. But it's very fragile, extremely fragile. So now it's a bit shorter than an A5, so we can make it a bit bigger than A5 along the horizontal, which is referred to as the x-axis. So the x-axis is going to get, maybe a good size would be 100, and we're going 150, but we're going to leave, this is at 400 still, we're just going to drop it to 100. Back to normal magnification, and we're just going to check to see if maybe there's some other features that need to be set to make it look better. So maybe the copy density is going to stay. We still have brightness in play. We didn't actually get rid of that, so we might as well take advantage of this red function, see if it'll make it look nicer. And we lose the copy density when we touch those, so we still got the brightness. The brightness is still on a little bit darker. So let's see if we can make this come up a treat. I hope the red makes it better, not worse. But it's not the easiest thing to photocopy, although it's a lot easier than I thought. All I have to do is get the length right. That looks interesting. You can see the red. I'm just thinking if that's going to be our finished one. It looks quite authentic, actually. It looks like something antiquated. And you can see bits of blue showing up, which is really refreshing. So I think now we can call this demo quits.